This one is a 1970s Smith-Corona Galaxie Deluxe. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. The color is charcoal gray. To set the margins are right behind the paper loading area, and you just push them with your fingers. Got this paper tray that flips up. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin, and you hit the line space, gets you back to the beginning, and skips 1, 2, or 3 spaces. Right now we have it on single. If you want double or triple, you just flip this switch back. We're going to keep it on single. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. Type a sentence in red real quick. To switch to red, you just flip this switch down, and it'll start typing on the bottom portion of the ribbon. Types very nice. One of my more popular machines. It's just a really nice daily typer and just really reliable. This thing will last forever if you take care of it. Print looks really nice too. Probably one of the best prints for just regular typing. So I actually like to use these if I'm typing a letter to somebody or something. The font makes it just really casual. Switch that down. This switch, I didn't use it, but that'll unlock the rollers underneath the platen so you can pull the paper out easy and load thicker paper. So switch that back to black. I got a touch control over here on the left side. Right now it's on high, so that means you just got to hit the keys a little bit harder. It builds tension on the keys, so let's put it on low, and then you just don't have to hit the keys as hard. It's got this cool function with a power space. Not sure what it actually is good for, but it's just cool as far as I'm concerned. It's got a tab function. If you hit this, it stops at each one of the tabs. None of them are set right now, so we'll set one right there. And it'll stop at that tab that you set. To clear, you hit the clear, and it'll go all the way to the end. It's got a margin release on the right side here. So if you get to the end of the margin, it has a mechanism to block you from typing. So if you hit the margin release, you can finish typing that word at the end of the page. It's got a backspace on the top left. Carriage release levers on each side. Allows you to control the carriage freely. And if you open the hood slides forward like that. You get to the spools. This lever on the top left here is for the direction control of the ribbon. So if you flip it forward, it'll pull to the right. If you flip it back, it'll pull to the left. So right now, it's back, so it's going to be pulling to the left. And when it pulls to the left, it goes that direction. And then to get it back to pull to the right, which we want it to pull to the right because all the brand new ribbon is on the left, it pulls to the right. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.